안녕하세요, 여러분. Hi, everyone. I'm Gabby, and welcome to Gabby의 공부 Café. Welcome to this new series on the channel, which is our vocab builder. You'll see from the title, we're going to make this fun, awesome, and just a little cozy to fit the theme of the cafe. So just hop in, and we're going to get started. So today we are going to be starting from the very beginning. I know we've learned our numbers, but for today we are going to be starting with some very simple but powerful phrases to help you with your Korean. It is the starting point that you need, in my belief, to start your journey of building your own little vocab book. Let's get started.
Let's go!
Let's start with the most important word in any language. Hello. How do we say hello? Well, in Korean, you say 안녕하세요.
하나, 둘, 아이, 안녕하세요, 아이들입니다.
하나, 둘, 셋, 안녕하세요, 스트레이키즈입니다.
하나, 둘, 셋, 어이나미, 안녕하세요, 트와이스입니다.
썸틴, 안녕하세요, 썸틴입니다. 둘, 셋, 방탄, 안녕하세요, 방탄소년단입니다.
둘, 셋, 해피니스, 안녕하세요, 레드벨벳입니다.
아싸 마마무 안녕하세요 마무입니다.
둘, 셋, 다이빈 타임, 안녕하세요, 아이입니다. What's your number? 안녕하세요, 시계 넘버입니다. 둘, 셋, Let's get crazy. 안녕하세요, 리키미키입니다.
You hear me say it at the beginning of every video. It's polite and used with everyone. Unless you're speaking with close friends and children, then you can drop the hasil. But for now, we're going to focus on the polite form in general. So let's get started. 안녕하세요 is made up of two forms. 안녕, meaning peace and well-being, and 하세요 means the polite way of saying do, so to do something. So together, it means something like are you at peace, or are you well, or be well. So let's try it. So repeat after me slowly. 안녕 하세요. 안녕 하세요. 안녕 하세요. Wonderful. Okay, now let's try to do it in a more natural flow. So repeat after me. 안녕하세요. 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 Use it at any time of the day, morning, afternoon, evening. It's always correct. So, 안녕하세요. On to the next one. Next, we're going to cover how to say thank you. So, thank you in Korean is 감사합니다. 감사합니다. So, 감사, which means gratitude or thanks or being thankful. And then 합니다 is the polite form of to do. So, 합니다. 합니다. Together, it literally means I give thanks. So, say it after receiving food or a help or a compliment. So, if someone's been helpful, you can just say, oh, 감사합니다. If they've given you a lovely compliment, you can also say 감사합니다. 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 Now let's go at a natural speed. 감사합니다. 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 So, if someone has given you coffee, you would just say, oh, 감사합니다. 어서 와세요. 주문하시겠어요? 안녕하세요. 커피 한 잔 주세요. 네, 잠시만 기다려 주세요. 어떤 사이즈로 드릴까요? 어, 큰 컵으로 주세요. 아, 네. 손님, 아, 네? 커피입니다. 아, 네, 감사합니다. In this next one, we are going to cover yes and no. In Korean, yes and no depend on the verb's meaning, not the question structure. This can mean yes, or that's right, or that's not right. So, yeah, even though it is a yes and no, it more means that's right or that's not right. So, if someone asked for if you like coffee, so to say I like, you can say 좋아해요, 좋아해요. So they could ask you 커피 좋아해요? Do you like coffee? 네, 좋아해요. Then they can say yes, I do like coffee. Or they can go 아니요, 안 좋아요, which means no, I don't like coffee. So if you want to say I don't like, you can just add 안 in front of it. So let's repeat. For yes, it's 네, 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 네. Let's say it naturally. 네, 네. And for 아니요, 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 아니요. And then if you want to just speed it up slightly to a more natural tone, 아니요, 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 아니요. Awesome. Be careful with your tone. Always keep both friendly and polite, unless you're in an argument. For our last one, now let's say goodbye. So, there are two ways depending on who is leaving. So the structure is normally if you are staying and the other person is leaving, you can use a form of 안녕. So we can say 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요. So that is if the other person is leaving and you are staying. But if you are staying and they are leaving, you can say 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. So 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. So 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. Because you guys are going to go to a different video. You guys are going to have fun watching anything you want. I'm going to be stuck in this video form. So for now, 안녕히 가세요. Okay, are we going to recap? I think we need to recap. Let's review what we've learned today. We have learned how to say hello, which is 안녕하세요. We have learned how to say thank you, which is 감사합니다. And we have also learned how to say yes and no, which is 네, 아니요. And lastly, we have learned how to say goodbye in two ways. 안녕히 가세요, 안녕히 계세요. These phrases are your first step into natural Korean conversation. They will help you in building your foundation. So comment below which phrase was your favorite, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time for another cute little vocab builder. Let's go! 안녕히 가세요. Bye.
감사합니다.
감사합니다. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.